What up, people? How's it going? For those of you who don't know, my name's Taylor. My channel is Day Customs. I am 28 years old and I love to make videos on how-tos for car repairs and just car parts installs. To date, I know I was looking a little tired. Last night I stayed up to I want to say 1 o'clock in the morning. I was watching this anime called Dororo. Ooh, that anime's so filthy though. Anyways, if you guys like anime, I'd recommend watching it. Today isn't an install video, but I wanted to show you guys that I got some new camera equipment. Shout out to GoPro. I have the Hero 9. I have been contemplating getting the 10, but pretty much it's not really that much better other than the processor, and it's got blue GoPro lettering, and I think it does 5.3K instead of 5K. Anyways, all my mods that I'm getting right now are for the 9 and 10, so if I do want to switch, I can just swap everything over to the 10. But if I do pick up one again, it'll probably be the 11 as soon as it comes out, because I like getting the new shit. But anyways, I love GoPro, so I ended up getting finally the Media Mod 9, the Max Lens mod, and the remote. And the reason why I got the remote is because when I was doing install repairs, I realized that my hands get dirty a lot and I have to constantly wipe off the camera. So I figured getting a remote would be a little bit easier, just adjusting it, setting it up in a spot, not having to move it, and just realizing that how much more simpler it'd be if I didn't have to go up to the camera and press record every single time I want to start filming. So I purchased that. Max Lens mod, it's going to give me a wider picture. In the Media mod, I'll be able to hook up a mic, and hopefully I'll get better sound quality. So I'm going to go ahead and hook those up real quick, and you guys tell me what you think. Alright, this is the Media mod. I don't know if you can hear anything or notice any difference in the quality of sound, but you know, I got this thing mainly for outside and stuff. It's supposed to help filter out a lot of the wind resistance. In terms of the actual size of the Media Mod case, I do like it. And on the back with the Media Mod, it's got a sound leveler that gives me the levels of audio if it's too loud or too quiet. But this is how bulky it is, and it's actually pretty nice. I do have the light mod. The light mod sits on top, which is pretty sweet. So you know, I kind of like that it's a little bit of a bigger camera. It makes me, I don't know, it's whatever. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and install the Max Lens mod and see how it looks. Oh dang, look like a fisheye lens with a fisheye lens. Fisheye lens. I gotta say, this freaking lens is freaking beefy. Alright, let me activate this setting though. I'm gonna pause it, I'll be right back. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Max Lens mod. Not necessarily sure how I feel about it. Don't look bad though. I feel like it makes me look skinny. It's not terrible. Yeah, tell me what you guys like better.